subscribe to your point of view, hit the bell icon and get notified each time I upload a new video. Because whatever you do, winter is coming.
Hey, what's happening guys, it's your host Amok back with another interesting video. And today we will be doing the gaming review of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So this Redmi Note 5 Pro is one of the most powerful smartphone under Rs 15,000 with regards to performance. It is running on Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 processor, which is an octa-core processor clocked at 1.8 GHz along with Adreno 509 GPU. The model which we are using is the 4GB RAM model, which has 64GB of built-in storage. So let's play a few medium to high graphic games and find out how good this phone holds up. I will also include a timestamp for the gameplay of all the games which I am playing in this video for your convenience in the description down below.
Back from the dead.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're all invited to go fucking mental on this motherfucking drop. The countdown has just begun. Are you ready? Let's go, 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 go.
Now we're back from the dead. We're back from the dead.
Hell yeah.
Back. Now we're back from the dead.
Are you ready? Let's go, 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 go. Back from the dead.
We're back from the dead.
Hell yeah.
We're back from the dead. Back from the dead. Back from the dead. Back from the dead.
gentlemen, you're all invited to go fucking mental on this motherfucking drop. The countdown has just begun. Are you ready? Let's go.
Now we're back from the dead. We're back from the dead.
Hell yeah.
Back. Now we're back from the dead.
Are you ready? Let's go.
Back from the dead.
So to conclude the video here, I would say this phone can play most of the games without any problem. There were a few minor stutters here and there, but they were not that much disturbing. And overall you should not have any issue with regards to gaming. Maybe this processor is new, hence not all the games are perfectly optimized. And also as far as heating, the phone became slightly warm due to its metal build, but not extremely hot. So that's it for this video guys, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then give this video a like and also subscribe to the channel for some more videos on this Redmi Note 5 Pro in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Amog and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye and take care.